Ishita here and welcome back to my channel The Fab Cat. So today's video is something which I was longing to do. I really wanted to do something like this, and this actually concept came to me. I was just sitting and I was just thinking, what next should I do? And I thought of coming up with this idea of markets not so famous, where I'll be covering and showing you guys those markets which are not so famous, which are not as famous as the Bandra market or the Colaba Causeway or any other market like Hill Road or something. So I'll try and cover those markets and show you the market. And so yeah, particularly I'll be targeting Mumbai because I stay in Mumbai. But if I travel out of Mumbai and I get to see some markets which are not as famous, so I'll shoot there as well. So today I am starting with Thane market. Me and my mom are heading to Thane market right now, and I hope whatever I want to show you, that is available over there. And I have been going to that market since longest time because I stay at Thane, and since the longest time, and since my childhood, me and my mom used to go there for shopping at times. So it's a very nice market, and my mom is washing utensils, if you can hear that. Okay, so that's okay. So we are actually at home and I'm ready, kind of ready, and we'll be traveling by bus. And since we stay near Pawar Nagar, we'll be taking 12 number bus. But if you are in Mumbai, in Thane, and if you want to go to that market, you can take any bus which is going to Thane station, and then you can get down there near Thane station and walk around. There are lots of shops, and you can also ask someone for McDonald's. And there is that Gao Devi Maidan where the actual market is. I hope that is there still. So yeah, let's see, and we are going to go there. And my mom has some work, so maybe we may get down a little before. Let's see. And I'll try and shoot as much as possible today. I don't have anyone for helping me, and today I'll be the cameraman for myself. So and my mom is not so technically good at shooting maybe, so maybe you won't be able to see me around walking, but I'll show you the market at least. So yeah, let's go. So guys, this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this black t-shirt which I've got from FBB, and I'm wearing these stone jeans. I don't know whether you can see or not. Yeah, this is what I'm wearing, these stone jeans. And yeah, the flip-flops are from Colaba. I'll just show you. Wait a minute. And these are the flip-flops which I was talking about, and this is my tone jeans. And these flip-flops, I got it from Colaba. So you can check out my Colaba haul, the very first one which I did. And that's my mom. She's ready. She's saying hi. Okay, ta-da, let's go. So guys, we've actually reached the market, and we got down at Talab Pali, which is one of the stop near the station, and my mom wanted to take something, and then I'm going to show you the market which I was talking about. So yeah, let's go. And guys, we also discovered this grocery store which has all the household things, and my mom wanted to buy something, so we actually stopped by here, and it is in Thane station only, near Thane station. There was basically a municipality strike or something over here, and some part of the market has been disturbed because of that, and my mom is busy buying some gown or something. I don't know whether you can see her or not. Wait, she's there. I don't know how to capture her. Okay, fine. So I'm going to head to the station market right now after she's done, and let's see what can I get over there. And guys, that's the market I was talking about. All the shops which were here have stalled together in that lane which is there, and this is how it looks. So guys, I'm back from the market, and it always happens with me that whenever I plan to shoot in the market, something or the other happens. Either it rains or Mitswadi people come in, or something or the other happens. So yeah, this time also it happened, as I had actually shot in the middle also in the market, and I told you that the people have come, but it's okay. I think I covered 80% of the market. Still I'll do again a Thane market visit, or a what do you call it, a trip sort of, so that you can see the entire market. And that time I'm going to just focus on the market, just on the market, and I'll make sure that someone is there for helping me out with the shoot as well. And also I hope you like this concept, and this was my very first attempt, so excuse me if I've done some kind of mistakes. And if you like this concept, and if you like whatever I showed you, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel. And also guys, there is basically a bell button which is there. When you hit the subscribe button, there is a bell which is there, and you hit that too, okay, so that you get notified each time I put a video, and we stay connected. That will be really great, so that you get notified each time and you don't miss out any of my videos. And yeah, talking about as I've gone to the market, I cannot come empty handed, so I got a couple of things which I want to show you, and I'm going to try them and I'm going to show you. So it's going to be a try on market trip as well. And yes, if you want to know some details about how to reach to that market which I've showed, or anything else, you can comment below, so that I can get back to you soon about that. And yeah, next time I'll try and cover some other market which is not that famous as Colaba or Bandra or Hill Road, but still you're gonna love it. So till then, bye bye, and let's start with the try on.